तपाईको घर र स्टेडियमको बीचमा कति दूरी छ?
What is the distance between your home and stadium? What is the distance between your home and stadium?
मेरो घर र स्टेडियम बीचको दूरी 2 किलोमिटर छ।
The distance between my home and stadium is 2 kilometers. The distance between my home and stadium is 2 kilometers.
हाम्रो देशको राष्ट्रिय खेल के हो?
What is the national sport of our country? What is the national sport of our country?
क्रिकेट हाम्रो देशको राष्ट्रिय खेल हो।
Cricket is the national sport of our country. Cricket is the national sport of our country.
कुन टिम हिजो जित्यो?
Which team won yesterday? Which team won yesterday?
भ्रमण टोली हिजो जित्यो।
The visiting team won yesterday. The visiting team won yesterday.
के तपाईसँग अतिरिक्त टिकट छ?
Do you have an extra ticket? Do you have an extra ticket?
हैन, मसँग थप टिकट छैन।
No, I don't have any extra ticket. No, I don't have any extra ticket.
अन्तिम खेल कहिले हुन्छ?
When is the final match? When is the final match?
अन्तिम खेल भोलिको हो।
The last game is tomorrow. The last game is tomorrow.
यस टोलीमा कति जना वरिष्ठ खेलाडीहरू छन्?
How many senior players are there in this team? How many senior players are there in this team?
यस टोलीमा त्यहाँ 5 जना वरिष्ठ खेलाडी छन्।
There are 5 senior players in this team. There are 5 senior players in this team.
यस टोलीका प्रशिक्षक को हुनुहुन्छ?
Who is the coach of this team? Who is the coach of this team?
मेरो बुबा यस टिमको प्रशिक्षक हुनुहुन्छ।
My father is the coach of this team. My father is the coach of this team.
तपाईको अर्को फुटबल खेल कहिले हुन्छ?
When is your next football match? When is your next football match?
मेरो अर्को फुटबल खेल 2 दिनमा छ।
My next football match is in 2 days. My next football match is in 2 days.
तपाई यस टोलीमा कहिले सामेल हुनुभयो?
When did you join this team? When did you join this team?
म यस टिममा सामेल भए जब म स्कुलमा थिएँ।
I joined this team when I was in school. I joined this team when I was in school.
के तपाईको टिमका सदस्यहरू सहयोगी छन्?
Are your team members supportive? Are your team members supportive?
मेरो टोलीका सदस्यहरू धेरै सहयोगी छन्।
My team members are very supportive. My team members are very supportive.
तपाईको टिमको प्रायोजक को हो?
Who is the sponsor of your team? Who is the sponsor of your team?
एक टेलिकम कम्पनी मेरो टिमको प्रायोजक हो।
A telecom company is the sponsor of my team. A telecom company is the sponsor of my team.
भारतीय र पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट खेल कहिले हुन्छ?
When is the Indian and Pakistan cricket match? When is the Indian and Pakistan cricket match?
भारतीय र पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट खेल अर्को हप्ता हो।
The Indian and Pakistan cricket match is next week. The Indian and Pakistan cricket match is next week.
तपाईँ कुन खेललाई सबैभन्दा धेरै मन पराउनुहुन्छ?
Which sport do you love most? Which sport do you love most?
मलाई टिम खेल मन पर्छ।
I love team sports. I love team sports.
तपाईँ स्कुलमा कुन खेल खेल्नुहुन्थ्यो?
Which sport you used to play in school? Which sport you used to play in school?
म स्कुलमा फुटबल खेल्थेँ।
I used to play football in school. I used to play football in school.
खेलको लागि कति टिकटहरू किन्नुभयो?
How many tickets did you bought for the match? How many tickets did you bought for the match?
मैले खेलको लागि 4 टिकट किने।
I bought 4 tickets for the match. I bought 4 tickets for the match.
यस टोलीमा कति जना खेलाडीहरू छन्?
How many players are there in this team? How many players are there in this team?
यस टोलीमा 12 खेलाडीहरू छन्।
There are 12 players in this team. There are 12 players in this team.
कुन खेललाई सज्जनको खेल भनेर चिनिन्छ?
Which sport is known as gentleman's game? Which sport is known as gentleman's game?
क्रिकेटलाई सज्जनको खेल भनेर चिनिन्छ।
Cricket is known as gentleman's game. Cricket is known as gentleman's game.
तपाईको अन्तिम खेलमा तपाईले कति स्कोर गर्नुभयो?
How much did you score in your last match? How much did you score in your last match?
मैले मेरो अन्तिम खेलमा शतक बनाए।
I scored a century in my last match. I scored a century in my last match.
अन्तिम ओलम्पिक खेलहरूमा भारतले कति स्वर्ण पदकहरू जित्यो?
How many gold medals did India win in the last Olympic Games? How many gold medals did India win in the last Olympic Games?
पछिल्लो ओलम्पिक खेलमा भारतले 10 स्वर्ण पदकहरू जित्यो।
India scored 10 gold medals in last Olympic Games. India scored 10 gold medals in last Olympic Games.
तपाईको टिमका सर्वश्रेष्ठ खेलाडी को होलान्?
Who is the best player in your team? Who is the best player in your team?
मेरो मिल्ने साथी मेरो टिमको सर्वश्रेष्ठ खेलाडी हो।
My best friend is the best player in my team. My best friend is the best player in my team.
अघिल्लो खेलमा उसको प्रदर्शन कस्तो रह्यो?
How was his performance in the previous match? How was his performance in the previous match?
अघिल्लो खेलमा उनको प्रदर्शन असाधारण थियो।
His performance in the previous match was extraordinary. His performance in the previous match was extraordinary.
के तपाईलाई यस खेलको सबै नियम र नियमहरू थाहा छ?
Do you know all the rules and regulations of this game? Do you know all the rules and regulations of this game?
हैन, तपाईले मलाई यस खेलका सबै नियम र नियमहरू सिकाउनु पर्दछ।
No, you have to teach me all the rules and regulations of this game. No, you have to teach me all the rules and regulations of this game.
जब राष्ट्रिय खेल हप्ता सुरु हुन गइरहेको छ।
When the National Sports Week is going to start. When the National Sports Week is going to start.
अर्को हप्ताबाट राष्ट्रिय खेलकुद हप्ता सुरु हुँदैछ।
From next week National Sports Week is going to start. From next week National Sports Week is going to start.
तपाईको टिमको जर्सी रङ्ग के हो?
What is the jersey color of your team? What is the jersey color of your team?
मेरो टिमको जर्सी रङ्ग नीलो छ।
The jersey color of my team is blue. The jersey color of my team is blue.
कसले तपाईलाई खेलको क्यारियर अनुसरण गर्न प्रेरित गर्नुभयो?
Who inspired you to pursue sports career? Who inspired you to pursue sports career?
मेरो बुबाले मलाई खेलको क्यारियर अनुसरण गर्न प्रेरित गर्नुभयो।
My father inspired me to pursue sports career. My father inspired me to pursue sports career.
यस टोलीमा तपाईको मनपर्ने खेलाडी को हो?
Who is your favorite player in this team? Who is your favorite player in this team?
टिमको सबभन्दा अग्लो प्लेयर मेरो मनपर्ने खेलाडी हो।
The tallest player in the team is my favorite player. The tallest player in the team is my favorite player.
तपाई कुन तौल प्रभागमा लडिरहनु भएको छ?
Which weight division you are fighting in? Which weight division you are fighting in?
म हल्का तौल विभाजनमा लड्दैछु।
I am fighting in lightweight division. I am fighting in lightweight division.
प्रतियोगिता कति लामो छ?
How long is the tournament? How long is the tournament?
प्रतियोगिता 1 महिना लामो छ।
The tournament is 1 month long. The tournament is 1 month long.
हाम्रो देशमा सबैभन्दा पुरानो स्टेडियम कहाँ छ?
Where is the oldest stadium located in our country? Where is the oldest stadium located in our country?
हाम्रो देशमा अवस्थित सबभन्दा पुरानो स्टेडियम कोलकातामा छ।
The oldest stadium located in our country is in Kolkata. The oldest stadium located in our country is in Kolkata.
तपाई ठुलो भएपछि के हुन चाहनुहुन्छ?
What do you want to become when you grow up? What do you want to become when you grow up?
म ठुलो भएपछि खेलाडी बन्न चाहन्छु।
I want to be an athlete when I grow up. I want to be an athlete when I grow up.
एउटा टोलीमा कप्तानको कर्तव्य के हो?
What is the duty of a captain in a team? What is the duty of a captain in a team?
कप्तानको कर्तव्य आफ्नो टोली सदस्यहरूको नेतृत्व गर्नु हो।
The duty of a captain is to lead his team members. The duty of a captain is to lead his team members.
कसरी टिमको कप्तान छनौट हुन्छ?
How the captain of a team is chosen. How the captain of a team is chosen.
कप्तान वरिष्ठता र प्रदर्शन अनुसार छनौट गरिएको छ।
The captain is chosen according to seniority and performance. The captain is chosen according to seniority and performance.
एक खेल अघि तपाई कति घण्टा अभ्यास गर्नुहुन्छ?
How many hours do you practice before a match? How many hours do you practice before a match?
म खेल अगाडि 6 घण्टा अभ्यास गर्छु।
I practice 6 hours daily before a match. I practice 6 hours daily before a match.
तपाई कसरी खेलको लागि तयारी गर्नुहुन्छ?
How do you prepare for a match? How do you prepare for a match?
म्याचको लागि प्रिपेयर गर्नका लागि मैले राम्रो खाना खादछु र कडा अभ्यास गर्छु।
To prepare for a match I eat good food and practice hard. To prepare for a match I eat good food and practice hard.
तपाई कतिवटा खेल खेल्न सक्नुहुन्छ?
How many games can you play? How many games can you play?
म 3 खेल खेल्न सक्छु।
I can play 3 games. I can play 3 games.
कसले खेलमा अन्तिम निर्णय दिन्छ?
Who makes the final decision in the game? Who makes the final decision in the game?
रेफ्री वा अम्पायरले खेलमा अन्तिम निर्णय दिन्छ।
The referee or the umpire gives the ultimate decision in a game. The referee or the umpire gives the ultimate decision in a game.
यदि तपाईँ गलत खेल खेल्नुभयो भने के हुन्छ?
What will happen if you play a false game? What will happen if you play a false game?
यदि तपाईँ गलत खेल खेल्नुभयो भने तपाईँ अयोग्य हुनुहुनेछ।
You will be disqualified if you play a false game. You will be disqualified if you play a false game.
खेलको बखत टिमलाई कसले गाइड गर्छ?
Who guides the team during a game? Who guides the team during a game?
कप्तानले खेलको बखत टिमलाई मार्ग निर्देशन गर्छन्।
The captain guides the team during a game. The captain guides the team during a game.
ऊ किन तपाईको मनपर्ने खेलाडी हो?
Why is he your favorite player? Why is he your favorite player?
ऊ मेरो मनपर्ने खेलाडी हो किनकि ऊ एकदम इमानदार छ।
He is my favorite player because he is very honest. He is my favorite player because he is very honest.
कसरी खेल अन्त्य भयो?
How did the game ended? How did the game ended?
खेल बराबरीमा समाप्त भयो।
The game ended in a draw. The game ended in a draw.
खेल जितेपछि तपाईले के गर्नुभयो?
What did you do after winning the game? What did you do after winning the game?
खेल जित्नेपछि हामीले मनायौं।
After winning the game we celebrated. After winning the game we celebrated.
खेल जितेपछि तपाईलाई कस्तो लाग्यो?
How did you feel after winning the game? How did you feel after winning the game?
खेल जितेपछि मैले गर्व र खुसी महसुस गरेँ।
After winning the game, I felt proud and happy. After winning the game, I felt proud and happy.
प्रश्नहरू कसरी थिए?
How were the questions? How were the questions?
प्रश्नहरू धेरै सजिलो थिए।
The questions were very easy. The questions were very easy.
तपाईँ अर्को हप्ता के गर्न जाँदै हुनुहुन्छ?
What are you going to do next week? What are you going to do next week?
म अर्को हप्ता मेरो परिवारलाई भेट्न जाँदैछु।
I am going to visit my family next weekend. I am going to visit my family next weekend.
ऊ के खेल्ने रुचि हो?
What does he like to play? What does he like to play?
उहाँ गिटार बजाउन मन पराउनुहुन्छ।
He likes to play the guitar. He likes to play the guitar.
उहाँ यहाँ कहिलेदेखि हुनुहुन्छ?
How long he has been here? How long he has been here?
उहाँ यहाँ लामो समयको लागि आएको छ।
He has been here for a long time. He has been here for a long time.
औषधिले काम गर्यो।
Did the medicine work? Did the medicine work?
ओ, यो औषधिले मेरो पीडा कम गर्यो।
Yes, this medicine eased my pain. Yes, this medicine eased my pain.